Good morning, everyone. So today we are discussing about the unit for the remaining part of the entrepreneurship development. Now we are discuss about the topic is very interested project control. If you know how to control the project, if you are working in any organization, because of this subject is totally based on the while you are working after the completion of your engineering, then you have to focus some such a kinds of some important things, and you have to remember these all things while you are performing any task in that company. So make sure to remember these things. Okay, so what is project control? What project control is nothing but while complaints are coming from the customer side or our employment side, so we have to take care about that to improve the performance level against the target. Such for causes of deviation problems will comes regularly. We have to check or we have to see in terms of two major functions. Ensure the regulars monitoring of performance, motivates a project personnel to strive for achieving project. What we are saying here is means we have to control, we have to see, we have to monitoring in the performance day by day, or we have to see the functions level, and we have to ensure the achieving project objectives. Okay, next, in what reasons are there, some these are the things we have to see regular basis. Next, reasons for ineffective control. If we are controlling not a proper way, so what will happen, so what will be the drawback will comes. So that is the reasons we have to know if we are not doing well. So we see that also characteristics of the project. Here you will be face some problems, people's problems, some other problems, poor control and information systems. If you are controlling not good as like that information of system, so coming from the information of system, so that is also a drawback. Inappropriate level of details. If you are providing the details is inappropriate, not accurate or unreliable information, you can face some problems. So these are the reasons. Variation analysis approach. Here you if the analysis process is not as like your project controlling involves and composition of an actual cost of the budget, means the analysis of the project as per the cost of budget of your determining, it's not there, you will face some problems or technical issue will become. So these are the reasons if you are not doing well the project controlling. The next topic is human aspects of project management. This is one we can say here the custom. Here you are seeing how the relationship or interrelationship, how you will maintain the interrelationship between the customer and you. Whether you are selling that product once, after that if you want to grow up more, you should have to make good relationship between the customer, because after he purchase one product from your side, he should come back again. If you are providing a good quality of product, and he will come back to again and take some other products also, okay, from your company. So these are the relationship. If you want to make if you want to grow your company, you have to make some good relationship between the customer, and you have to focus on that customer level satisfaction, and what are the problems the customers are facing. You have to rectify that problems, and you have to make a good relationship. Authority, orientation, motivation, group functioning, These are the challenges you have to take, and to what we can say, we have to take, and after that you have to implement and make a good relationship between the customer. Okay, inside of this here authority, what is the in that authority, project, those who are the project managers, they having a authority to explain the logical and rational project activities to the our employees, and give some suggestion and give some avoidance to imposition of decision, and like these the authorities or agreements are there from the authority level. For example, a project manager having there, and he is our guidance. Okay, in that, if you are working in that organization, orientation is nothing but the most of manager working for a project are usually engineers or technologists. Typically as an engineer, orientation, most of the time the managers, those who are the managers are working in that the project. If we are a employee, our manager is working with us, sometimes they are the managers are work as a work manager qualification as an engineer, and he is wanted to take a technologies, work with a physical law characteristics by the mathematics precision as he tools. So that time he is good advantage as to us, because of he is not as such a good knowledge to implement for the our project. As per that guidance, we will easily do our project. Okay, with the help of project manager, adopt structure. He can adopt structures, mechanical approach to solve that problems, because of he is an engineer, seeks an enduring solution to this to his problem. Like that, you are also an engineer. Inshallah, you, after the completion of your fourth year, you will also make definitely a good engineer, and you will make sure to have some patience while you are searching a job. Okay, this is my advice to you, all of you. And one more thing is there, the students, I'm asking to you students, why you are not subscribing my channel, my YouTube, and like. So please subscribe at my channel and like. Okay, next, come to your topic. Attach a high value or technical perfection. Here if the person is knowing good knowledge from the engineer side or technical side, he will use the technical things or technical concept to make a good project. Okay, but an engineer performance tasks of planning, organization, directing, and the controlling the resources of the firms in the world of uncertainty. Means the concept of engineers and controlling, planning, and organization and directing, that is a different one. If the normal person will do that, normal person is doing that work, and the engineers is doing that work. These two works are different, because of engineer will do that work as per the norms, as per the condition, as per the criteria level. Okay, that will be great importance to efficient to utilize the resources and the human relationship problems also. Next, the motivation, the principal behavior factors which the project manager can influence is the motivation. The project manager will change the factor as per the norms, and also the project manager will motivate the project personals. Humans are motivated by the variety of needs. As per the need level, we have to motivate that our psychological needs level, social needs level, our employees, and self confidence. Traditional approach to management should give the traditionally celebrated some festivals was based on the assumption that human beings regards we have to give the priority to our employments for human culture. We have to show that we are with a human culture, and we have to behave like a good manners with that our employees, our customers. So that will be a good one to, as well as our beneficial for successes of our projects. Beyond a certain point we can easily grow up. Okay, next the fourth one is group functioning. In that group functioning, what we are doing here, we are doing the project with that group, and we are giving the task to each and every person. And for the complex project we are doing the group functioning. In that group complex function, lots of tasks or lots of difficulties will be there at the department or organization. We have to involve and we have to do that project, and we have to distribute the project each and every person at with that time. Then we will definitely easily to complete that project, either horizontal group, vertical group, mixed group. Okay, the next topic is building effective groups. Here what we are doing, building effective groups. Okay, in that we are as per our requirement, effective groups means we, for example, I have 50 members of the employee, and I am the manager of that company. So I will see I have one project, and I have to give that project to my employees. I am taking example, so listen carefully what I am telling to you. I am taking one project from these sources, and that project I have to give my employee to do a work. So in that 50 employees whose are perfect, and I want take only 10 members to do a project, because of that project is not a big one. So I will see in that 50 members those persons having a knowledge regarding, and those having a good intention about that project, or about the having some knowledge, that person I will prefer. So that is the building effective groups, while sometime it may be happened. Okay, next, and that whatever the I made groups, that groups should have to take some challenges and tasks of the difficulties. I should have to clear that while I am making any group, and that group should have to take the challenges and tasks to complete. If they are completed, means they having a good ability to do work, or we can say that the project. While you also, if you are working any organization after the completion of your engineering, sometimes suddenly you will get some opportunity or task. So you should not go backward, you should go forward, and you should have to complete that one. Okay, first of all you have to make your self confidence and take decision to take that project, and you inshallah by the processing you will definitely do that project. Okay, next is that prerequisite for successful project implementation. Whatever the successful project is there in the last, for example, our company is already success in some projects. So that project, sometimes the requirements of project is more than 60%, 65%. So at the time we have to run that project, and we have to implement that project. For example, that for automobile sector, Toyota Innova, you know that the Toyota Innova, as that the Toyota Innova, it comes from 2006 or 2005. That time the demand is suddenly the raising of the a demand is increased after the completion of some years. Nowadays is also increased because of the customer satisfaction is there. That vehicle is given, the vehicle is taken, the customer satisfaction after the some years. So that is a very good implementation of your project. You have to implement that project after the completion. Sometime the requirement will be there. Okay, average delay in commissioning this project was about 3 years, and about the 68% of the central government project have suffered a cost of overruns. So government sectors of project is suffering a overrun of the cost, which has the highest 75%, as similar analysis of the state projects would frames rivers and even more dismal pictures. So what we are saying here we are saying we have to implement that the project, either the central government or the state government, to analyze to first, and whether it is necessary, we have to do that one. Okay, so network technique or project management, that is a project selection process. Here we are selecting that the project, how you will be selected that the project, we have to see the scheme of the project, profile of the project. In that brief content means economic size, how the size of the project means while the completion of the project one product will form. So that product, the size of the product we have to see whether it is suitable for customer or not. And we have to see the status of industry, means our industry status while you are starting the industry, whether the industry will be scope or not. Raw material availability, where you are getting the raw material availability. The cost of production for making any product. For example, for a small a mouse you are making, so making of this product, how much the cost you are spending, this capital cost, utility requirement, infrastructure facilities you are giving to your company, profitability, financial analysis and profitability, we are already discussed about that. That is a profitability. Government policies you have to take, whether you are a small industry or you are a big industries in the market. Okay, so now this is your unit 4 is completed. Because of the unit 4 is a small your content of syllabus. So here your unit 4 of entrepreneurship development, project management. In that project management you are seeing or you are knowing how to control the project, how to plan that project, how to manage that project by line manager, line functions or staff function. These are the things you are discussed we discussed here. Okay, so make sure to remember this. After the class you have to give me the attendance by the click of the link of Google Form. Okay, Allah Hafiz.